Your iPhone keeps saying storage is full because deleted photos, hidden message attachments, and background system caches are still taking up space on your device. So clear the recently deleted folders. When you delete photos or videos, your iPhone does not erase them entirely. They stay on your phone for 30 days. So open the Photos app, right? Scroll a little bit down to find the recently deleted. You can confirm via facial recognition, right? And delete or recover the items permanently. Do the same for the Files app by checking the recently deleted folder under browser, right? Remove large message attachments. So go ahead to the settings, tab General, iPhone storage, right? Scroll down to find messages. Right, so somewhere here, messages, yeah, the Apple ink, you can see it's included. So gonna find it right here. If you can't do anything like in the app ink, all you gotta do is just go back to the Messages app, right? So I'm gonna go ahead to the iMessage, right? Go back to the filters. You're gonna see recently deleted messages. Go ahead and delete them all, right? Next, offload unused apps. Again, you can remove apps you rarely use without losing your personal data inside them. Same settings, General and iPhone storage, right? Let's say YouTube, offload, double click to confirm your choice. This deletes the app file to save space but keeps your saved data just in case you reinstall it. So consider liking this video, subscribing, really helps with the channel. Till next time.